using Petronas Centium 3000. It's a good 5W30. We've got 4 litres here, so as we're going to do a complete flush, and then we'll put the new stuff in. So today we're also going to be using bog standard filter. It's actually a man one. Again, you can get this from ourselves. And today we're also going to be using some STP engine flush. We highly recommend this as it gets in and cleans out all the dirty parts within the engine. Folks, you're also going to need an empty canister for your dirty oil and something to catch your oil. Nice oil pan. So folks, first of all, we're going to use our STP engine flush. Very simple. Open up your oil cap. We put our funnel in. And we just pour the flush in. Every last drop in there. Now I got the engine flush in the car, and we're just going to let it tick over for another 15 minutes. We'll come back after it's done its magic.
Look at this here. Third poo.
So folks, we've let the engine flush run, turned the engine off. Now we're going to go underneath, break the sump plug, take it out, let the old oil run out, and then we'll take it from there. So folks, top tip. If your sump plug is a little bit hard to take off, you need to get extra momentum on it to turn it. Wheel wrench. Those sump plugs are 17, 19, 21 mil, just like your hex on your wheel nuts. So, does the job. So let's go underneath and get this done. So folks, here we are. We've located the sump plug. Subaru have quite gratefully left us a little space to put this the sump plug through. So what we do is we get our oil pan ready and we crack, there we go. So I just loosen it. It's starting to drip already. What I like to do is have this ready, and I'm just gonna back this out. See, this will go everywhere, folks. Back it out very gently. Aim of the game here, folks, is to not get covered in oil and not drop the sump plug. So. Let's see. Ready for the money shot?
Oh baby.
Okay folks, now here's our oil filter. I'm gonna get that off. Okay, here it comes. Ooh. A lot more oil than we expected under there, folks. As you can imagine, folks, the oil does not make us any easier. So folks, what we've done now is we put the sump plug back in, and we're just going to reverse the rest of the steps as well. So we've got our new oil filter, and we're going to put it back in. But first, take a little bit of the oil from the old filter, and we seal that ring. So just run it round. Run it round. So once you've got a nice good seal on it, this will just go straight back into where you took the old one from. I'm not going to video that there because it's exactly the reverse, except for a little bit cleaner than taking the old one out. Folks, see you on the other side. Okay folks, so what we're going to do now is top up with our new oil. So first things first, off comes the oil cap, in goes the filter, take the new oil, open her up, and go through without spilling anything. She goes. this engine takes exactly 4 litres. So here we've got exactly 4 litres. Sometimes you might find it is necessary to buy a small top-up bottle as well if your engine takes more than that. Of course, contact us at Performance Alloys and we'll be able to get you everything. Look at. Okay folks, so the last thing we need to do here is check our dipstick to make sure we've got enough oil in the engine. So out comes the dipstick. Wipe the dipstick clean. Make sure you've got no oil on there. Back in it goes. Out it comes, and we should see it up near the dot. Perfect, you can sort of see it glistening there. Perfect. Perfect amount of oil. Nice and simple thing you can do to your car to make sure that it keeps running. All the parts available at Performance Alloys. Give us a like on Facebook, drop us a message on Facebook, or give us a call. Thank you very much. Don't forget folks, put the oil cap on. Nice and tight.